made all this possible. Representative Mary Littleton, State Senator Kerry Roberts, the Cheatham County Road and Bridge Committee, County Commission, Mayor McCullough, and various veterans group, Veteran Service Officer Bob Counter, and most especially the family of Mike Dove. Mike, I went to school. Mike was an upperclassman for me, but I can remember seeing Mike in the hallways at the old Central High School, and he always had that Pepsodent smile with that blonde hair. I can see him today, and I just want to take this opportunity to tell you that in the book of John, they speak of Mike Day. It says, greater love hath no man than to lay down his life. It's been a long time coming, but I'm glad to be a small part of